Okay, I feel like I just discovered the coolest thing ever. There's a farm near me that I found on Facebook that sells produce, of course, and every Sunday they do this thing where you pay $25 and you basically get a produce mystery box. And so I signed up today and I did it for the first time. And so I'm gonna show everything that I got in my $25 box. It's a huge box. So that's it. I can see that we have some tomatoes, some bell peppers maybe, definitely some cucumbers. I think those are apples and orange. Okay, so first it came with one coconut, but he gave me another one for free because I said that I like coconuts. So I got 2 coconuts, some tomatoes, Roma tomato, there's another tomato, a few oranges, and then a lot of cucumbers. That's a big cucumber. These are like little pickling cucumbers. 1 habanero, that's all you need. 1 kiwi. Ooh, zucchini. Oh, another zucchini. Yes. Another tomato. I'm not sure what these are, but there's a few of them in here. We did have a few bell peppers. I thought so. Some tomatillos. I see a few lemons. A lime, I mean, not a lemon. Some apples. I like the yellow apples. Another bell pepper. Another zucchini. And we have some onions. Wow. 2 bunches of onions. Some more tomatoes. Some more of these things. I really have to figure out what these are because there's a lot of them. Serranos that look like they have to be used soon. I'll probably make a salsa. 2 yellow squash. There's just like green beans in here. Just thrown green beans. That's everything. So this is everything. I'm really happy with everything in here. The only thing is these that I have no idea what they are, but I'll figure it out. But I'm happy. I'm so happy with everything else that I got, especially the coconuts. I wasn't sure how it was gonna work, but I showed up at 6 because that's when you pick up. It's basically just first come, first serve. They just arrange a bunch of boxes in the barn and then you show up and you pick one. And I thought I got there on time, but there was already like 15 people online before me. So I didn't get first pick of the boxes, but now I know. And next Sunday, I'll be there even earlier.